What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fastlane Garage. In the last episode we talked about Eric's car and why it's special. Today we're going to be taking this car from the puzzle that it is and get it moving. The person he bought it from had it in pieces for about a year, so who knows if everything's even here. But that's what we're going to find out. Anyways, let's get to work and see what all it needs. Go. A little more. Oh, shit. Right there. Huh? Right there. Buddy? Let's get the transmission out of the trunk. No.
We have clutch managers too.
Yeah,
Obviously.
I think that goes back there.
Somewhere. But right now it's weight reduction. Oh,
Alright, that's everything back here. Watch your hands. Might as well buy a new slave cylinder when you get a chance. That's alright, I'll do everything. Said it's alright, I'll do everything. Alright, go ahead, lift it.
it turned on.
Yeah, it's not heavy. You guys want to see it underneath this one too? It's a lot better than the Probe was. You want me to do it? When I say we have all of the Loctite, I really mean all of the Loctite. The biggest bottle of Loctite I've ever seen. It wasn't aimed at you. Was the flywheel on here when he gave it to you? Or not the flywheel, I meant the clutch.
Oh, you just saw it? That's how I got it. Clutch was it?
I don't think so. Yeah, this clutch doesn't belong to this transmission or this engine. Yeah, so I just tried it all three ways. So we had to go get Chris, who's basically our resident Honda expert, and we confirmed with him that the clutch that the guy gave us with the car doesn't fit this car. So we went to the local parts store. Luckily, they had it in stock. I think it's it seems too small because even here, the bolt hole doesn't line up.
Yeah, it looks like it's shifted upward.
So we picked up the right one, and we're putting it in now. So yeah,
At least when I'm
it's
here.
great when you have a car that everybody has parts for. Look at that, it actually fits. Crazy when you get the right clutch for it. Got that in. Next thing is get all this stuff out of the way. So we can hopefully get the transmission in. But I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that by myself. Yep, it's gonna be too big. That's probably a 17 anyways. It is not 17, it's a 19. Are you serious? Did he not tighten them? These were not tight at all. It should be good enough, right? That kit should have came with a new throwout bearing, and it did. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Except it doesn't ee. So, I don't know, man. Should I clean this? What do you guys think? Should I clean this? Yeah, it is just going to get dirty again as soon as we start using it again. But it also has a bunch of grease on it. So, yeah, we're going to clean it. All right, so along with the clutch forks, we decided that we're going to clean off the transmission too. So we'll take a few minutes, time lapse that. You're not going to be able to see much. Sorry, still new at this. Camera angle was bad, but you know, we cleaned it off. Wanted to make sure that the parts that we were putting on looked as good as possible. That way, if we came back later and something was leaking, it'd be easier to figure out where it's leaking from. Also, it just looks nicer, you know? So, yeah, we're going to take a few minutes, clean this off, and then we'll put it in. So what we're going to do is put a little grease right here where it contacts the this little ball right here, the pivot point. We'll also put a little bit where it contacts the throwout bearing, and a little bit right here where the clutch, the slave cylinder pushes on forks. That should be enough for all of it, really. And we'll just go ahead, put that through there. And it more or less should just pop onto there, just like that. And then grab our throwout bearing, put a little bit of grease on the inside of there too. We'll also put a little bit on the splines for the clutch. There we go. Done that. There we go. Take off the excess. I call that good. Alright, let's see what we can do about getting this transmission in here. That's stuck there. Why do arms get tight so quickly? Pipe. I refuse to put it back down now because it's pretty much in there. Just go to your home. I think it's going in. Oh yeah, it's definitely going in. Nice. That one will do. As I was saying, so we got all the bolts in. All right, that one there, we had to figure out which bolt went in there. That one there, you saw us figure out before. We got 2 more on the top. You can't see from here, but we figured those out. We had to go get them from the spare bolts bin. But they're all tight now. Next, what we need to do next is tighten the subframe back up. So these 2 bolts here, these 2 bolts there, and then the same thing on the other side. And then we'll lower the car down and put the trans mount on up here. And I think that'll probably be it for today. there's not going to be a lot of recording of all that stuff because I only have 2 minutes left of space on my phone. So yeah, you'll get snippets here and there, but I'll just pretty much get you with updates because you saw me take it all apart. It's just the same as the opposite. I'll probably come back to you when I'm doing the trans mount. All right, guys. So you can see we got the trans mount in. Had to take this piece off. Oops, sorry, had to take this piece off to get it in because probably should have attached it before I put the subframe together. Either way, we got it in there. Next, all we got to do, starter and pretty much everything else. But I'll come back tomorrow and do that stuff. Pretty much done for today. I've got less than 2 minutes left of recording on my phone. And so I'll make some more space, come back tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll get at it. See you guys then.